Timbe adhula mar Tusker oyango ikruok makare ne tugo mar lig ma pacho kae giko odira, tugo mosetisi kaka rakruok mapek mar juma e kindgi kod Police FC. Tusker ma en namba 2 tok Police FC mantie namba 1 e mesa mar KPL nigi points 37 marom gi Police tok tugo tuke 10 kod cheo ng'ato ka ng'ato. Gibiro rakore chieng' ngeso tugo biro tuge pau tuke ma Machakos e kinde orako mar godiochieng' ma kawuono. Jotugo mag Tusker kaachiel kod kocha margi Charles Okero oyango ni gibiro keto sinani kar bedo ni tugono biro bedo motwere.
Playing against Police is just like any other game. So of course the game itself is it will have pressure. So for us, what is important is to know how to contain that pressure. So for us, what we have told the players is just to remain calm. Let's stick to our plan, and the game will be positive. For us, we are expecting a positive match against Police. Like I said earlier, for us, Tusker, we remain focused as a team. It doesn't matter who is ahead as at now or behind us. What is important is, are we in the right track? Are we on the right track as a team? And for me, I can say yes. So for us, is to remain focused until the final game of the season.
The team is motivated. It's going to be a tough game, and we are tied in points. So we are positive enough, and we'll try our level best so that we are able to win the match.